this is HelpScreen and this is how to fix Underdog Fantasy Sports app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So now, first thing that you will do is go to your Google Play Store. And now guys, just search for the Underdog Fantasy. And then from here, tap on the app. And guys, for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now guys, for the second solution, just go to your settings on your device. And then once you are on the settings, just go to the apps. And then from here on the apps, you will see all of the installed application on your device. And just go ahead and go to Underdog Fantasy Sports app. And guys, since I don't have the application downloaded, I'm gonna use this Fantasy ESPN application. So let's say this is the Underdog Fantasy Sports app. So from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there guys, you should be able to fix the issue. So now if any of these doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall your Underdog Fantasy Sport application on your device. So first uninstall it on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there guys, you should be able to have a working Underdog Fantasy Sport application. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!